to my channel. So we will discuss two questions from real analysis, one from part B and another from part C from NET 2020, which is held on 26th November. First question: if f and g are continuous function on 0 1 satisfies f0 equal to f1 equal to 1 and g0 g1 equal to 0 and satisfies this condition, f half less than f g half, and then four conditions are given. For 1 x belongs to this interval fx equal to gx, for 2 x this for 2 value of x fx equal to gx, and finitely many x, for finitely many x, and for infinitely many x. So we will take example of f and g. We can draw a function f and g. F at 0 f is 1, and also at 1 f is 1. So we can take fx as this, it is half. So at 0 fx, so this function is fx, this is x-axis and this is y-axis, so this function is fx, and also gx can be taken here. So g0 0, so 0 at 0 0, and g at 1 also 0, so we can take here, that is, this is g function. So at g half equal to 1 and f half equal to 0, so less than 1, that is g half, which satisfy the given condition. So we clearly see that fx gx intersects only 2 point, that is only 1 point crossed, finitely many crossed, cancelled, and d is cancelled, so 3 options are ruled out. So this option is correct. For 2x fx and gx are equal. Now we will discuss another questions from part C. Which of the following are bijective to R? That is, we find for all sets given in 4 options the cardinal number of all sets equal to R. So we can say that then this given set is bijective to R or with R. So first option, set of functions from 0 1 to n. So here this set, if this set is A, that is all functions from 0 1 to n, this cardinality will be cardinality of n to the power cardinality of this set, that is 2. So cardinality of n is aleph naught, so aleph naught to the 2, so aleph naught cross aleph naught, so it is also aleph naught, so this is countable. So each option 1 is countable but R is uncountable, so it cannot be form a bijective mapping from with this with R, so this option is cancelled. And for option B, has given all set of all functions from n to 0 1. So here if the set we denote B, then the cardinality of these sets of all function from n to 0 1 will be cardinality of this set, that is 2, and to the power cardinality of n, that is aleph naught. So 2 to the power aleph naught equal to no continuum, that is C. So this is equal to the cardinality of R, so it will form a bijective mapping. So option B is correct. And all subsets of n, that is also cardinality will be 2 to the aleph naught, that is equal to C, that is equal to cardinal number of R. So option 3 is correct. And the set of all subsets of R, this, if this set is D, then cardinality of the D will be 2 to the cardinality of this R, that is C, which is not equal to C, because we know that C always less than 2 to the C. So it cannot form a bijective mapping from this set to R. So this option will cancel. So here two options are correct, B and C. So thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, thank you.